do it. Let me show you how to do it.
Hi guys, so I have this Maytag fridge, and quite frankly it doesn't really matter if it's a Maytag or any other brand, but if you have a slow water problem, for example in my case, see how the water flow is kind of slow. There could be two reasons for this. Number one could be your filter is bad, it's clogged up. In most cases, it is a clogged filter and you just replace the filter and you get a nice flow. If it's a fairly new filter and you still have a slow flow like this, then I'll tell you a trick to fix it. Now for that, you need a rubber washer, something like this. This is something you can pick it up from Home Depot, and it's better, make sure it's a rubber one so it's not a metal or something, so you want something soft, but yet it's sturdy, so you can see the thickness of this. So first thing you need to do is open the fridge and open up your filter case. You have to remove the filter. And what you have to do is take this and put it right here. So what happens is, over time, the white dots that you see on top, they're supposed to be depressed with this thing for it to provide enough water, but over time, they just kind of go bad. So what we do is we put this on top of it, which kind of helps when you put the filter on to push these tabs inside even further to allow enough water to come in. So as you can see, I just slide this washer in there, and we're gonna go ahead and reinstall our water filter, and maybe take a little bit more pressure. There you go. Just make sure you twist it a bit and put it in. Now we're gonna go ahead and try it. You can see the increase of water. A lot better than the previous one. So that's it, guys. That simple trick can help you increase your water flow in your fridge. So hopefully this video helps you guys increase the flow in your water. Guys, if you like the video, please subscribe to my channel and like the video. Thank you.